Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
Start by inspecting your pointy dart for bends, cracks, and loose tips. Measure tip diameter and shaft inner bore with calipers to get exact fit. Remove the old tip using a 3/5 mm hex key or small vise. File any burrs on the shaft with 120 grit to ensure flush seating. Test fit a replacement tip that matches the measured diameter and thread. If threads are damaged, chase them with a die sized to the thread. Keep spare tips and a small repair kit in your case. Prepare a 5-minute 2-part epoxy and mix 1 part resin to 1 part hardener. Roughen the mating surfaces with 220 grit sandpaper for better adhesion. Apply a thin shim of epoxy inside the shaft and insert the tip centered. Use a temporary jig or masking tape to hold the tip aligned while curing. Let the assembly cure 24 hours at room temperature for full strength. Trim excess epoxy with a 1 mm precision blade and finish with emery. Rebalance the dart if weight changed by more than 0. After curing, inspect the bond and torque the tip to the recommended 2 Nm. Perform a static balance by resting the shaft on a 3/5 cm support point. If the dart points left or right, shift flight position by 1 mm. Throw 30 test shots from regulation distance and record grouping and drift. If imbalance exceeds 25% of acceptable spread, redo the repair process. Keep a log of tip type, weight, and torque for future maintenance. Always wear eye protection and secure small parts when working on darts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.